Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Open Gmail and click Compose now. You already have everything you need. Type the recipient and subject, then write the sentence that will hold your link. Instead of pasting a long URL, highlight the words you want to turn into a link. This improves readability and trust. Once highlighted, look for the Insert Link icon in the toolbar. This is faster than pasting raw text. Make sure your cursor placement is correct before opening the link dialog. Click the chain icon or use Ctrl+K/CMD+K to open the link dialog. This is the core step. Paste the full URL including HTTP or HTTPS so the link resolves correctly, and then confirm. Gmail shows a preview of the destination. If the anchor text needs changing, edit it now so the recipient sees clear, concise wording. Once done, click Apply. Make sure the link points to the intended page to avoid confusion or broken navigation. Send the email, then immediately verify by opening Sent and clicking the link. This confirms it works for you before the recipient sees it. If the link is broken, open the message, click the link icon to edit, and paste the corrected URL. Make sure to save changes. As a troubleshooting tip, include the full URL in parentheses after your anchor text so recipients can copy-paste if a client strips links. This fallback prevents lost access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.